In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Elliott Triple Combo Wave WXYXZ on Tradingview, quick and easy. First, open up your Tradingview chart. You can use any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same, whether you're on crypto, forex, stocks, or anything else. Just make sure you're on the main charting screen, not in the idea, publishing, view, or anything like that. Now, look to the upper left side of your chart. This is where your main drawing toolbar is located. Hover your mouse over the icons there until you see the one labeled for patterns. Go ahead and click on the patterns icon to open the full list of available drawing patterns. From that list, scroll until you find the Elliott Triple Combo Wave WXYXZ tool. It might be grouped with other Elliott tools, so take a second to read the labels carefully. Once you see Elliott Triple Combo Wave WXYXZ, click on it to activate the tool. With the tool selected, move back to your chart area. You're going to start plotting the points of the pattern. Click once on the chart to create your first point. This is usually where you believe the start of your complex corrective structure begins. Then move your cursor to where you want your second point to be and click again. Continue the same way to create your third point, your fourth point, your fifth point, and finally your last point. As you place these points, Tradingview will automatically draw the connecting lines and label the wave sequence for you. Once the pattern is on your chart, take a moment to explain to yourself or your audience what this pattern can do. The Elliott Triple Combo WXYXZ is designed to represent a complex corrective phase made up of multiple connected corrections. It can help you visually organize messy price action and see where the market might be in a larger corrective cycle. After that, you can easily move or adjust the pattern. Just click on any of the points or the lines and drag them to fine-tune their position so they match your price swings more accurately. You can also customize the look of the pattern. Open its options, then click on templates if you want to save your preferred style. Click on color to change the line colors, and click on line tool width to make the pattern thicker or thinner so it stands out more clearly. In the same options area, you can click on settings to access deeper controls. Click on lock to prevent accidental changes. Once you're happy with it, click on remove if you want to delete the pattern, or use the three dots for more actions. To wrap up, the Elliott Triple Combo Wave tool on Tradingview is a powerful way to map out complex corrective structures. By practicing how and where you place those W, X, Y, X, and Z points, you'll get a clearer view of the market's corrective phases and improve your overall chart analysis.